What's going on, everybody? We back out here one more again, and I'm actually recording with my phone this time because I got stuck in this situation where I'm trying to install this steam vent system, but I just found out that I don't have the back ports open, so it looks like I'm gonna have to fucking drill that shit. The front ones are good to go, whatever. And just so you guys know, this is the 821 heads. In case you guys have the same heads, you guys will watch out for this, because with all my other heads, I have a whole bunch of other heads. I got, you know, 243s, I got 823s, and this is 5364s. So every single, I just came over here and to just to verify how I'm gonna take this out, because I was researching to see how I'm gonna, you know, drill it or whatever the fuck I'm gonna do. They pretty much say if you're gonna use the rear ports, you gotta punch it out. So let's say that this is the rear port, because both of these are open, obviously. There it is, and there it is. They're both open. Anyway, so I guess what you're supposed to do is when you have the heads off, you would be punching that hole out. But my heads are installed, so I was trying to see if I can, if I just so happen to have a pair of heads that have the port still plugged, so I can see exactly how I'm gonna do. But every single one of my heads, the port is open, so I'm shit out of luck, and I think I'm gonna just drill it out, because I mean, as you can see, this is just, I mean, this is just the it's not like it's gonna go anywhere unless I fucking go ridiculously crazy and drill that shit all the way to where the stud is. But I'm not gonna do that, obviously. But as always, you know, the sun's going down, so I'm gonna see if I can hurry up and do this before nighttime comes. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna go get my hood lamp. I love that shit. Gotta give my wife a big shout out for that fucking hood lamp, because I mean, that shit is coming in clutch right now. Well, like everything that I decided to throw away, I end up needing it like 2 days later. I had a grease gun in this drawer specifically, and you know, since I wasn't using it, the grease gun was just fucking leaking and fucking ruining this all shit. So I was like, man, I don't even use that bitch. Let me find out that I fucking fell down here. Nope, nowhere around here. So I don't even use that shit. So what I did was, you know what, I'm gonna throw it away, because I never use it anyways. But today I need it, and it's not in my garbage. So what I wanted the grease gun for was when I drill out the holes, so the shavings don't go inside of the the cylinder head, not the cylinder head, so they don't go inside to the ports, which is like nothing really is gonna happen, because it's just fucking, you know, coolant, so nothing really wrong is gonna happen. It's not like, you know, dropping shavings inside your cylinder head, inside the cylinder itself. But I think I can use something like, I don't know, anti-seize, whatever. It's just whatever can just catch it, so it don't fall all in there. Well, the plugs are not aluminum, they're steel, or they're some type of fucking metal. I know it's because I checked it with a magnet. So yeah, anyway, so this is what I got. I punched it inwards. I know you're supposed to punch it out, but this wouldn't be called ghetto rigged if we didn't do stupid shit. But yeah, I punched it in as far as I can. Now what I need to do is finish punching it in all the way. And I need something, I don't know, maybe like I don't know if something like this would work, hopefully, if it's big enough. Let's see. Oop, too big. That's what she said. I could use one of these, but look, check it out. A stem remover, or a stem fucking whatever remover.
That part.
Let's see if it works. Ooh, Ooh. Let's see my fucking hammer work. So I can't do this with two phones because I don't have a tripod. So I'm gonna let this shit go, and then you guys are just gonna have to take my word for it. Okay, there you go. Got them both. Check it out. All the way. This one too. Bam. Cool. Now, I guess I'll know I got one once my fucking water pump goes out. It's probably gonna get stuck in there. If it ever does. I don't know. I mean, I'm not really worried about that because it's gonna go into the cooling system. And since now I'm making a video, I guess I'm gonna show you guys. So these heads are painted. I really don't like that shit, and I forgot to tell the guy when I took it to the shop not to paint my heads because I didn't want to paint it at all. But right here can't really show you no more because I already got the fucking thing in there. But yeah, there's paint right here, and I don't really want to put my O-ring over some fucking paint, so I can get some Scotch-Brite and I'm gonna fucking just strip it all off. Got as much as I could from the paint off of it, man. I mean, that shit doesn't look fucking, I mean, fuck, it's because it's so hard to get in there, man. Shit. Let me try one more again, because all right, so that's as good as it's gonna get. So I got them both, and I think that's not too bad. I mean, I just need something where the O-ring is gonna fucking seal up, so we're good on that. Shee. It's dark as fuck now, so yeah, I gotta hurry up and get this shit out the way. Anyways, so yeah, the steam vent kit is just about to be done. I'm gonna hurry up and get all this shit back in there, because I gotta get the fucking intake back in. I was just really gonna, you know, take all the tape off and, you know, really bolt the intake back into the engine, so I could be completely done with the top end and just focus on the rest. I mean, really, I'm just about all the way done. I should have done the water pump, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna paint the water pump. That's why I didn't really just throw it in there. I was also doing my grounds, engine grounds, and then my battery, and then I also did the starter, all that shit off camera, because I didn't pick up the camera because it was just taking too much of my time and I needed to get this shit done. But I decided to do this video because I had those rear steam vent ports plugged up, and I really had it. These were literally the only two heads that have the damn ports plugged up, and you know, I thought it was video worthy. Otherwise, I wouldn't even showed you any of this. But let me get back on this, and then I'll just be back when I'm done. Oh yeah, so never mind what I just said about the four corner port that I just had on. I had to take that shit off because it was trash. The tubing that was connecting to this port right here, I mean, it could have probably been any ports, but the whole point being is that it was too long, so it didn't really work too well. Plus, on top of that, when I sat my intake, you know, the actual port, the four corner port was sitting too high, and my intake was, you know, sits pretty low. So because of those two reasons, I had to ditch that, and I actually went with the ICT kit. This one is going to let me connect all four corners, and this one's gonna sit real low. I mean, I already knew this one existed. The only problem was that this one is expensive, but it's gonna let me connect these two, and there's gonna be a line that's gonna sit low. The cross fitting that's gonna go right here, and now that cross fitting, I'm probably just gonna connect it right to my fuel water pump. There's some people that are for it, some people that are against it. I myself, I was kind of against it, but I mean, that's gonna be like the cleanest setup that I'm gonna be able to do on this engine. So hope it works. Again, I'm not gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install this shit. I'll show you guys when I'm done, mainly because I don't have a tripod for my phone, so I'm just gonna show you guys when I'm done. I'm gonna show you guys the actual instructions on how this goes, mainly because I can't find. I was actually looking for somebody that was installing this particular kit, and not even ICT had it. ICT had the same kit that I just took off, but they didn't have this one because I was mainly interested in, you know, this one right here. So yeah, so this is how it goes. I was actually trying to get this T to be more towards the passenger side, so I can, you know, run it to my radiator. But the instructor says that it's going to have to be more towards the driver's side. So yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. It's gonna be, so I have two 3.5 inch. One was gonna go here, other one's gonna go in the back on the passenger side. Oh, I'm tripping. This is the 3.5 inch. That's a 3.5 inch. That's the 3.5 inch over there, and that's the other 6 inch long T right there, cross right here, and then these little billet connectors. I mean, what are these was called? Doesn't even say what this fucking things are called, but the ports, the port clamps or whatever. These don't really. Oh no, actually, you know what? It does matter. So they're clocked, and these are gonna have to point outwards. Like the two ones that are in front of the engine, they're gonna point outwards towards the water pump, and the rears are gonna face the rear towards the engine. There it is, you guys. So I got it all plumbed and tightened down. So I mean, really all I need to do is get my 4AN hose, because it's gonna be the fitting that I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be pointed straight down, just like that. I'm not gonna lie, like these hoses, like, I don't know. I mean, I kind of feel like these guys could have done a better job at you know, making this kit, possibly making both of these ends that size. But I'm guessing that they have their reasons why this is like this, because I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of hard to fucking bend. Like these lines are hard as hell. But like I said, I mean, there's probably a good reason why this is the way it is. Overall, there it is. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw my intake back on. Finally take off all this tape and shit, so I can put it back on for the last time. Look at it, y'all. Don't she look so purty? I gotta hurry this up. My hood light is running out of battery, so I'm gonna finish this up real quick and then cut the video so we can get on with our lives. Slight change of plans. I just threw some tape back on this. So when I took this intake off, I noticed like all my fucking bolts fell off, because I flipped it upside down. But you know, these are not supposed to fall off, and this intake was off of the engine that this bitch ass motherfucker screwed me over on. So I don't know, I'm gonna give it another check. I'm gonna check this intake out a little bit further. Hopefully it's not cracked or anything. Plus, I mean, it's dirty as hell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power wash this motherfucker, and later on I'm gonna throw it on the engine. But anyways, you guys, I forgot to close out the video, but so this is gonna be it right here. ¿Qué pasó? Anyways, So yeah, that's just about it. Yeah. Uh-huh. See. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching, and oh, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, and my baby here wants to say something. You make sure you follow my daddy's channel because he's cute. And that truck is going to be badass. Don't miss out on it. Subscribe, bitches. Damn, hey, chill out. Anyways, thank you guys for subscribing, man. See you on the next one.